Okay, everyone is here. Few missing, doesn't matter. Hello, everyone. Is my voice clear? Everyone is hearing me, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and others. We will do in we will wrap it up in 30 minutes eventually. So there will be few question and answering, and also I'm going to show you my yesterday trade, how I trade. I do trade only US session, London session. I was not in the market. I was busy with my family and few guests. That's it. Let me know when you see my screen. Shakir, you here? You guys see my screen?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let's start from here. So let's go to the daily first. On daily we have this, and this is our eventually the direction which is giving us that we are going to the buy, and this buy confirmation is eventually from here. When we saw this candle this candle is giving us the vibe that we are going to the upper side. That's the reason I was keep telling, whatever you take on sell side, it is the retracement. Whatever is the buying side you are trying, it is the main direction. So this is the fuel of our buy direction. So this is the main fuel. Again, we are seeing, because an engulfing we are seeing on here. Also, it is a level on here. This is the level, breakout level, or it is a breakout level on here. So one candle, it did touch and it is not fresh. So the fresh one eventually started right here, and we see this candle and eventually buying, and we have another engulfing on here. So this is the confirmation for us to going to the upper side. That's the reason that I was keep telling, whatever reaction you are seeing on the buy side, we are going to take it for the longer term, and the sale will be shorter term. Let's go to my trade, what I did yesterday. So go to the h4. What is showing us that we have so many. This is the engulfing sell, and eventually this is the failed one. So we are confirming this is on the buy. So I was not looking for that. I was looking for, I go to the 30 minute. In the 30 minute, if you are seeing that we have few things. One, look at this one. This is the level, and this is tasted on here. This tasted on here. So this is not fresh. So we have a fresh level here. This is the fresh one. What we are expecting when market goes back to that level, similar to this one. Market created a fresh level, touch with that one, and eventually come back a little bit down, and then it created another fresh level, touch with that one, and we are seeing a rejection and a little bit sell. So I saw this one is fresh when I come to the market. Also I saw this is an engulfing we are seeing on here. Just give me a minute. Who? Okay. So market goes back to this engulfing zone. When this engulfing is created, anyone want to join or something? Okay. So this is an engulfing, and market, when I saw this engulfing with a very fresh level, I go to the 5 minute. In the 5 minutes, something extraordinary if you look at this one. So we know a pattern which is similar to head and shoulder pattern. Look at this one. When you see an high and low, market will take out this high, also take out this low. Now our expectation is when market come back to this level, we are going to open a sell. So this is what happened. So market come back to your level and we are expecting a sell. If you find any engulfing level on this level, this is more confluence level, as this one is 30 minute is very fresh. Also we see a 5 minute engulfing on here, and this is the QM pattern. Look at this pattern and look at this pattern. Look at low, go to the line chart, high, low, higher high, lower low. Market did not come to that level, right? This is the level where it is come. Look at this. This is the level. Now go to the candlestick pattern. Look at this. So as I, who is in my mentorship or not my mentorship, but know how I do trade on engulfing, I said when this two level is so near, try to put your stop loss above this high, like this high is so near, like this way. Give me a time. So if you this high is so near to this one, you put your stop loss above this high. But if it is a little bit higher, try to put your stop loss this high. So you can minimize your risk by that way. So what you are seeing here, high, low, higher high, this high with a very few pips upper side on this one. So when market come back to here, I open a sale on here, exactly on here, first one, and I put my stop loss on this high a little bit higher. So this is almost like 12 to 13 pips stop loss. My calculation is if I find any trade which is less than 25 pips stop loss, I try to take is 50 pips. If it is 25 pips, then I'm going for 1 is to 2, that is also 50 pips. So if the stop loss is 5 pips, 10 pips, 15 pips, like less than 25 pips, I go for 50 pips yet. So I posted this one is on the channel. So I take a sale on here. I see this sharp movement also. So I take another one on 97, I think, on this gap. Yes. So this is the gap level I take, and I exited on 50 pips higher. This is 58 pips. I did not. This is the exited on here. I took that sell. So this is the first one that I took yesterday. Now go to the second one. Me and my student leave went for the same. I was Shakir invented something. I was watching that level. Shakir was invented, it was recently invented something. This is the engulfing, and if it is matched with some level, we open a sale on here. So I was testing it, but I did not practically imply it on my real chart yet. So there is a sale here, but I did not expect market will go that much sharp eventually. So what happened market, when I see this is the sharping movement I saw on, let's go to again the 30 minute. So what you are seeing, this is a fresh level again. This level never touch. This is the first time it is touching here, and we are seeing a very fresh engulfing on here. Yeah, so I immediately went for buy from here. This is the buy for me. This level I open for buy, but I go for the 5 minute also. So I was looking for any engulfing on here. I saw this engulfing eventually, which is related to this low. So I open my trade. My stop loss was here is maybe 22 pips, but leave somehow enter on this engulfing. That's why he was keep telling like he had like 11 pips. I follow last when market just closed, and I was looking for why he take that one only 12 or 11 pips. So if you count his trade, look at the buy he took from here. He exited a little bit 100 and something. This is his like 8 pips market drawdown, but he said he was having like 12 pips. But for me it was like 22 pips. 22 pips I put a little bit down on this bottom, and I exited on 100 pips. He is also exited on 100 pips. That's it, the second trade. And the last one, when I said I'm going to show you something, just have to one trade running, I have to close it. So when 30 minute this candle, like this candle, I was looking to break out this candle. This is the zone that I said fresh. So until it is not failing, so I go to the 5 minute again, and I saw this is the candle with very sharp movement which failed here. I was looking for now sell only. As market is so volatile, I was looking for a 1 minute trade right now. So I saw this one. Look at this one. This is an engulfing, and look at this, what happened. As it is 1 minute, I was looking for fresh engulfing. So 1 2 3, this candle confirm as the fresh engulfing on here, but the fourth candle eventually go to our zone, and when I saw this zone, I did not take it because I was waiting for breakout this, eventually this whole zone. So it was not eventually break out that level. So I waited for here a little bit, couple of time. I saw an engulfing buy here, and I was on now an engulfing sell. So I saw this engulfing sell when this candle eventually closed with this candle. This is like similar longer time frame analysis. I saw market just failed this one, and now my time is to wait for this candle when it is coming back to this zone. When just it touched that one, I had my limit on eventually here. This is the limit I had. I put my sell limit here, and stop loss was little bit upper side on this one as it is a little bit volatile. It is showing 21, but I had like 27 pips stop loss, and I tried to exit on this bottom. So this is 115 pips I take. These are the three trades that I had yesterday with only London say New York session. Where is 100 pips? This, and another one is eventually why is the QM, the first one I showed you. So this is the three trade I had, like 50 pips, 100 pips, and 100 pips, 200 pips, and that's how we come to an end of $10 to almost $6,000. That's the trade. So now we are going to do the question and answering. If you guys have any question or something, let's go with the question and answering. Any question of the trade that I took, or the problem you're facing, or whatever, with the chart only. Let's start. You guys hearing me, right? Okay, so I'm expecting some question eventually. So as I'll do a little bit few question and answering. Question, guys. Why we're here? We're here for question and answering. Like what types of struggle you're having, what types of problem you're facing, why execution taking some times, and whenever you execute, why you are making the losses. That's kind of question I'm
Bro, I have a
expecting.
question.
Yes, that's the reason we are doing the session today.
Yeah, bro, I'm struggling. I mark my zone, everything is perfect, but the entry, I'm struggling with entry, bro.
Okay,
And lower time confirmation time. That's
what kind of analysis you are following?
bro, engulfing and MSnR.
Okay, great. So, okay. Any other question so that I can adjust with this question? Anyone else? Any other question? Okay, same MTF problem. Fine. Any other one? We are eventually covering everything when I know. Yeah, I understand that MTF. Bikram, you have so many questions on the group. Do you have any question for me now? Okay. No, no worry. How to convert? Yeah, basically most of the question based on the multi-time frame. Any other question? Okay, so let's go to the chart. For me, let's go to the monthly first. Why is the chart? Okay, monthly. Let's start with the monthly. So this is an engulfing first one in the monthly, which is telling us that we are looking for buy. When you see this engulfing failed, with this candle, this is also mostly showing us that we are going for buy. Is that so?
No, please can you repeat your voice back? Sorry.
Okay, no problem. uh, this is the first monthly bullish engulfing we are seeing here, right? So also
Yes, brother.
at the same time, this is a sell engulfing we are seeing. When this engulfing failed with this candle, this is the giving us confirmation now. One buy bullish engulfing, also the failing one. So it is giving us confirmation for going for long buy. And we have this engulfing here. So we have March, April 2 months. So let's work with March only. Forget about April. In March, this is the zone that where we see that engulfing failed, and now we are looking for only buy. Let's go to the daily. In the daily time frame, look at this one. What we have? We have a buy engulfing. Market never come back to our buy engulfing. So all the buy happened here, but we have a sideways market here. Let's work with only this part, as this is the in the shorter time frame, even 1 minute or monthly, this kind of movement is not problem. The problem we face in the sideways market. So let's go with the sideways market. This is the sideways market we are seeing right now. Let's go to 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, look at this, what we have. For the better of understanding, let's mark this is the sideways zone that we are working right now. Look at this. This is the first buy engulfing we are seeing on here, and this is the sell engulfing. Eventually, no, this sell is eventually we saw. This is the first sell engulfing we are seeing here. So look at this. Do we identify our zone? Buy one and sell one. When you identify your buy zone and sell zone, and let's say, listen, this is a sell engulfing and this is a buy engulfing. When this sell engulfing created with this candle, we have two options. Option number one, either it has to go with our zone or it has to come with this zone. Is it? These are the two options we have, right? I mark my level but hesitate to enter. Now we get this guy. Okay, no problem. Let's stay with me for now. We'll cover everything in this session. So look at this chart. What we are seeing here. When market created this engulfing, we have two options. Either market goes back to this level. If it goes back to this level, we are looking for sell. When it's coming back to this level, we are looking for buy. In that case, look at this. What happened? It come back to our buy zone. Now we go to 30-minute. In the 30-minute, look at this. What we need to do in the 30-minute. If you are an aggressive aggressive trader, you have something which is a engulfing here. Look at this here, and engulfing not here but here. These two. This is the two zone we are seeing on here. Look at this. So when this H4 candle created and come back to your zone, if you are an aggressive trader, you immediately enter on this engulfing, and the stop loss you just a little bit down to it. It is like, look, make it 20 pips. If you are taking only 20 pips straight, first always try to do 50 pips. If your SL is more than 25 pips, try to do 1:2. So the first trade you enter on your zone, you take it like, as I said, 50 pips. This is the 50 pips done. Now again market come back to your zone. When it is come back to your zone, your job is to look for a trade control. What is the trade control? Trade control is when market come back to your zone, you look for any engulfing it created. So this is an engulfing it created, and it is went upper side to the main H4 zone. Look, make color it a little bit different. This is the H4 zone and this is the 30-minute zone. Market come back to your 30-minute zone. When it is come back to your 30-minute zone, go to the 5-minute. Just give me a minute. I'm always struggling to do this kind of thing when I go to the back data. So we are not seeing the back data. Let's go to the 15 minute. Okay, so let work with only 15 minutes. Same goes for 5 minute also. So as I said, when you find your 30-minute zone on here, look at this. How many engulfing we are seeing on here? Engulfing number 1, engulfing number 2. So what market did? When it created this engulfing and come back to that engulfing, look for buy here. Again, it is not even 15 pips, make it 20 pips. And look for what I said. Whenever you enter less than 25 pips, try to 50 pips. This is your 50 pips. Done. Now, this is the H4 zone on the sell side. Look at this market come back to your zone and goes to again your sell side. Now, when you see a sell side, as yet you look for something which is engulfing again. Look at this. This is your engulfing first one. First one. Market immediately come back to your engulfing. Let's say you missed it, but the next time it is also goes to your engulfing zone. And look for sell. Look at this, the stop loss. How much? This is 25 pips. So as still I said 50 pips. When you find it 20, if it is like 30 pips, look for 60 pips. So where is the 60 pips? This is the 60 pips. This is how you go to multi time frame. Let's see something on new zone. Let's see something. Okay. So let's work with this, only this zone. Delete everything we have here. Look at this. This is engulfing sell and this is an engulfing buy. When I said when market created an engulfing sell, as it is come back immediately to your zone, buy zone. Is it? Guys, you guys understanding me, right? What I'm saying? Okay. Okay, great. Like no, I do not face this kind of situation. Whenever I do like other session, we go with a conversational way. Like I talk something, I ask something, they ask something, we answered. But this is kind of like I'm talking only myself. So so looks, this is the sell engulfing it created and buy engulfing. It is immediately come back to your buy engulfing. So what I said, when it is come back to use zone, now go for 30 minutes. In the 30-minute, look something which is again created any engulfing. So this is the zone it created. This is the engulfing it created. Now look at this. Market immediately come back to your zone, engulfing zone, right? So now you go to the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, look at this in the bottom side. How many engulfing you are seeing on here? This is the first engulfing and market immediately come back to your engulfing. And look at the buy. This is the buy. If okay, so this is the buy. 27 pips, 54 pips is your target. That's one. That's it. Now let's say you missed it, right? You missed it. What you now going to do? You look for any other engulfing on the like as I said, how multi time frame work. This is the 5-minute. Now this is you look for any engulfing if on 1 minute here. This is the zone, same zone, same zone. Look any engulfing you see on here. Delete. Do you guys see any engulfing on here? This one. Look at this. And that's your buy. 20 pips. So go for 50 pips. That's it. Why? And also this is the roadblock you're seeing on here. Let's say anything we have on 5-minute, 15-minute. No, we do not have anything. We have a gap level here. So this is how eventually we do multi-time frame. This is the last market what we are having. It's easy. If you also look at this, this is the last one engulfing we are seeing, and market immediately come back to your engulfing and give you the reaction. So if this zone is little bit big for you, as market is volatile, it is 56 pips. So let's say we are not going to open any trade which is more than 30 pips. Let's go to the 5-minute. Any engulfing we are seeing in the 5 minute? No, it's still the same zone which is covering our longer version. Let's go to the 30 minute. Any engulfing? Yes. Now we are seeing something. This one. Now our engulfing zone is coming a little bit shorter way. Now it is 40 pips. So we do not take also any which is 40 pips. Let's look for other. Yes. Now look at this. Look at this. La live chart example. This is the last engulfing one, and I'm going to delete this one. Go to the 5 minute. Look at this. How much? 17 pips. Not even 17 pips. Market only give like I think 8 pips drawdown, but it is less than 20 pips. This is how you filter. So if you enter on anything less than 20 pips, 25 pips, first initially try to do with 50 pips. This is it. This is your exit. Anything? Anyone?
Bro, I have a
Yes.
question.
Yes.
You said trade control. When we look at trade control, it's on 30-minute time frame.
If your base time frame is 40 minute, go with the 30 minute. Once you understand how trade control work, you can eventually go to the 15 minute. For me personally, most of the time 85% trade I do not look for trade control, but for rules I use trade control. Once you are not getting any entry, trade control is your friend. Why trade control? Let's say you trade without trade control, your win rate will be 50%, but if you take trade with trade control, your win rate will be more than 80 to 85%, and your trade will be less, but win rate will be higher.
So, bro, when you look at, yeah, you talk about that, but still I ask you, you more about your trade, it is on 5 minute confirmation or 15-minute confirmation.
No, I come from, let's say, we know what going to daily. So I do not take anything with the daily time frame. I look for one, like I open the chart today. I look for daily candle. So as last few days, daily is only bullish. So there is nothing to think about daily. Let's go to the H4. What H4 is showing us? Like how I draw the zone a little bit earlier. I draw my zone, buy zone, sell zone. So when I draw my zone, I go to the 30-minute time frame to see the zone reaction. When market come back to one zone to another zone or retrace to one zone to another zone, I go for the 5-15 minute. I filter 15-minute engulfing with the 5 minute, and then if I see the stop loss is little bit bigger, so I just try to fresh, not fresh, and everything, and I go to the 1 minute. So that yesterday was little bit volatile, most volatile. That's why I mostly look for 1 minute, and it was working. But most of the time I try to stick with the 5 minute. And if I don't see anything with the 5 minute, I go to the 1 minute.
Bro, can I ask more?
Yes, sure, go ahead. As no one is asking.
Uh, Bro, when price reach your zone, like H4 zone, when we go to M30 or M15, there is a lot of, you can say that if market there is sideways on M30 and 15, there is lot of engulfing buys and engulfing sells also.
In that case, in that
That's
case, in that case, I got your question. Listen, I have gone through with this phase. I know what you are asking. So there will be lots of engulfing zone. Which one you should pick, right?
yeah, bro, yeah.
In that case, let's say you are wait for buying zone. Market come to your zone, whatever zone.
Bro, your screen stuck. I think.
No, I am not. My screen is not stuck. I'm here eventually to show any question you are asking or not.
Okay.
So let's say I am here. I'm here on yesterday. Look at this. only one example I'm going to show you, the one I took eventually, right?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the engulfing zone we are seeing, right?
Okay.
And we see a reaction from here. We see a reaction.
Yeah,
So
bro. Yeah.
let's go to the 1 minute. So this 1 minute reaction eventually happened so fast, right? So again,
Yeah.
come to 30 minutes. When you see this reaction happen, and if you go to the 15 minute, what you are seeing, this candle, all the level on 30 minute, and the 15 minute is also break with this candle. This is the
Yeah.
breakout zone, right? Also, if you follow
Yeah,
the,
bro.
you are the one who follow the SNR.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So look at this
Yeah.
one. Forget about the engulfing. This is the breakout.
Yeah.
So in the breakout system, what we know, BPE, what it is, breakout, pullback, and entry, right?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So this is the breakout level. Now my condition is what? I go to the 1 minute time frame. So in the 1 minute time frame, when it is breakout, now it is showing us the direction that we are going to the downside. Is it?
Yeah, bro.
For that, as I said, in the breakout system, what we need to see, breakout, pullback, and entry. Breakout, pullback, and entry. That's the reason.
Okay.
That's the based formula of SNR. If you combined
Yeah, bro.
SNR with engulfing, now see the magic. So look at this one. This is the breakout, right? Look at this. Why this is the
Yeah.
breakout in 1 minute? This is the breakout.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Look at this. This is the breakout, right? This is the breakout. So what I said, breakout means this, and we need a pullback for entry, right? So
Right.
go to candle. So this is the pullback. I missed that one. This is the pullback. I missed that one. Also, with that pullback, look at this one, engulfing, and it is also fulfilled. So I waited. But when I saw this buy engulfing, look at this one. This is the what? Buy engulfing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now look carefully how you filter your uh, trade. Like if there is many zone. So from longer time frame, when market breakout this zone, we know market is going to sell. Is it with this breakout?
Yeah, bro.
And
Yeah.
and and we have a sell on here. I missed it. Also with engulfing, if you see breakout with this one, and and again it is breakout and pullback with this engulfing, right? Now we
Yeah.
know market is going to downside based on the breakout of higher time frame. Look at this. We need to see two things. One, if you are SNR trader, we need to look for the breakout of this candle. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is the breakout. Now it is retested but not failed. And again it is breakout with this candle. Now it is fresh.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
when this engulfing buy happened, at the same time when market this engulfing failed also with the SNR breakout, we see something incredible here, which is buy engulfing. Now out of all, this one is also buy engulfing, right?
Yeah.
This one is also this one. No, we have only two buy engulfing, this one and that one. So which one we should pick? That's the question. So
Yeah, bro.
this is the failed zone you range. If anything is nearer, look at this one. This one is nearer, right? And this candle is failed. Also, when market come back to you, this engulfing zone, look at now. This engulfing is is in your range a little bit higher and the lower side. I'm going to give a little bit more example, and we see market immediately goes back to your zone. and that's the reason also I open the sale on here. So that's how I filter. In a short terms, if you see, let's say this is a what it is, sideways market, right? This is a sideways
Yeah.
market. So if you are looking for buy, if you're looking for buy, look for in engulfing. You see sell engulfing eventually on the sell upper side of the buy zone. If you see any sideways market, look for any buy engulfing on the lower side. Let's show you a perfect example. Where is US 30?
Nothing.
Where is it? Okay, this one. We are in 1 minute time frame. Though this is the sell happened from here, just look at this. What I This is the whole range, right? This is the whole range.
Yeah, bro.
This is the whole range. What we have here? What we have here? This zone is
Breakout.
fully breakout with this candle, and this
Yeah.
sideway a little bit upper side of you sideway, and it is sharply moved down. Every single example is same here. Every single example. Look at this. This is the sideway market. We haven't sale engulfing on here. But before that, you need to find out your zone. So this is the example I saw here. This is the sideway. This is the sideway. Look at this. This is the engulfing, and market just come back to upper side of your engulfing and fall. Any time frame is same sideway. So if you're looking for a buy, then buy. If sideway, look at this. Do not need to show anything else. What I just said. Is this sideway, right?
Yeah,
We are
bro.
in 15-minute time frame. A little bit upper side, you have what? So
Engulfing.
you are conservative one, you can do this one. I mostly prefer with the gold and GBP JPY. So US 30
So I'm
is,
also trading gold.
yeah, that's great. So this is how you eventually filter. Any more question? I will go. I think I will close in 2 to 5 minutes. Most of the people here, I think, therefore, I'm not sure. Either you do not know what I said, or you do not even understand what I said, or maybe I make something complex here.
Bro,
Yes.
are you trading only engulfing nowadays?
No, no. What I just showed you in the 1 minute, I do combined everything. Like as I said,
Okay.
look at this. Eventually, SNR, and if you mix the SNR and the engulfing, it will make you much more precise entry. Much more precise entry. As I said, if you understand SNR fresh level, look at this one.
Yeah, bro.
Only this is the level, right? Fresh.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is miss. You know the miss concept.
Yeah, bro.
So this is miss.
Yeah, bro.
So in the same time you have this, right? So how
Yeah,
many
bro.
how many confirmation you're having here? One is
Two.
fresh, one is fresh, one is
Yeah, bro.
okay.
Engulfing and
Uh,
the one is plus.
Right, engulfing, miss, and a very fresh level. These are the basic three formula of Malaysian way. Now remain
Okay.
is your hand how you preferably, how perfectly you apply this to your chart. For that one you need multi time frame. So when you go to the multi time frame is giving you much more clearer view. Look, if you say only, if you trade only, this one is fresh, right? On the 5 minute,
Yeah.
this one is fresh, very fresh. So let's say you do not want to enter on here. This is like me. I enter on there, so it is 22 pips for me. But look at this one. How much it is? Sorry, how much it is? That's where leave enter. This is the 11 pips one. Fresh and what? Engulfing.
engulfing.
Right. Now let's say you do not also you want to wait more. Anything fresh you see here, anything fresh, delete anything fresh. Uh, this is fresh, miss, but this is fresh, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
that fresh level you have this. So now look at this. How much you have? Only 8 pips. So that's how I filter in multi-time frame. And we have another fresh level here. This is the very fresh also. So it is like only 5 pips.
bro. Last question, bro.
Yeah, go ahead.
Bro, when you mark SNR,
Are you the A Rohit from the group?
yeah, bro, yeah. I will do.
Yeah. So you should sometime you should text me. Do give me some diet. I know who you are.
Yeah, bro, yeah. Okay. No problem, bro, no problem. Bro, I have a question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
When you mark SNR,
Hmm.
you also mark when you refine it. You know that in a MSnR, when you mark SNR, you will your last time frame for marking SNR is 1 hour, right?
Mm.
So when you refine,
No,
uh,
no. For me right now, I try to play with 30 minutes. That's my new girlfriend kind of. It is mini time frame for me.
oh,
H4 is the best.
okay,
H4 is the best.
yeah,
Listen. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something. Which is learn everything. Whatever you see in front, like the topic you are choosing, whatever you see in front of you on this topic, let's say only SNR, you find everything on the SNR, learn everything, and once you try to apply with the chart, you will only use 10%. Trust me, you're not going to use 100%. From that 10%, you need to add 90% of your own knowledge.
yeah,
Nothing going to
yeah,
work with the textbook one. Few trade you will see the textbook based, but most of them is based on you, what you have learned, what you have experienced with the chart. That's how.
yeah, bro.
And there is another way with the Bollinger Band way. I will not share it. I think I'm just blocking people to join the team. I will open it next 2 to 3 week. And that's the reason also I'm not posting any video, because most of the people is inboxing me for the mentorship. For now, it's not possible. That's why I'm blocking also joining. So once I see a few more people, I will do a session with Bollinger Band. That's one is pretty solid so far. So solid so far in a base dot, like you fixed SL fixed TP like 25 to 50 60 pips TP. 2 to 3 trade you will always have daily. If you have one trade then win. If you only follow that system, forget any more trade. As I said, at the end of the day, we all need to making money. Yes, PVMA. And that's one I think my plan is I will keep that one cheap, like maybe 60 to $70 one session, and all the topic will be covered for that session. Not for now. I will open when I open my channel for many people then. But
Okay.
those who are is here for now, you guys will have it free.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Okay. So we are going to end if there is no more session. Sorry, no more question. Hope we are going to end.
Bro, someone asked BBMA, I think.
Yeah. I said yes. I said that BBMA is, listen. BBMA is so complex. I have BBMA. I do not follow everything on the BBMA. Only 2 or 3 terms I use for the from the BBMA. I only look for momentum. I only look for one middle BBMA cross out. That's it. BVMA has like 7 to 8 terminology: CSAK, CSAM, momentum, blah blah blah. I do not follow everything because, as I said, at the end of the day, you have to come out with your own version. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. You are going to end
Thank you, bro.
today. Hopefully, you guys have some value. Otherwise, I only have one person or 2%, 3% eventually ask you question. Remain. I don't know. Maybe they don't even know what I do. Okay. Have a great day, guys.
Bro,
Bye
thank you,
bye.
bro.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.